Hello everybody, this is Miss Avani. I'm here to go over topic 3, lesson 1. I can't believe we're moving on so quickly. So in this one, we're going to classify polynomials. We're going to look at polynomials a little bit more. We're going to look at graphing them. We're going to look at the characteristics somewhat, what graph a polynomial. So in this example, we're going to classify the polynomials and how can you write a polynomial in standard form and use it to identify the leading coefficient, the degree, and the number of terms. So we have this polynomial, negative 4x plus 9 plus 2x cubed. And what we want to do is we want to go with the highest degreed variable, which means the highest or the greatest exponent. In this case, our greatest exponent is 3. So right there, I'm just going to write my degree. Let me write this in a different pen. So my degree right away is going to be 3. All right, so I'm going to start with 2x cubed. And I'm going to count down from that. Now I'm going to go to the next greatest degree, or greatest exponent, and this is going to be the negative 4x. And by the way, that's 4x to the power of 1. We just don't see the 1. And then plus 9. Okay, so now we have this in standard form. We could also identify the leading coefficient, or the number that's leading this whole, basically, polynomial train. So the leading coefficient here is 2. Is going to be 2. All right, and then the number of terms we have 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. So when we are adding or subtracting, when we're doing addition or subtraction, the values between the operations are terms. When we're doing multiplication, those are factors, or division, those are factors. So these are each terms. This is going to be a trinomial. And let's see the solution for the book. All right, so the standard form, 2x cubed minus 4x plus 9, and the standard form of a polynomial shows any like terms combined and the terms by degree in descending numeric order. So again, if I had a 2x cubed and a 4x cubed, I would combine those to make a 6x cubed, but in this case we don't have anything to combine, so it's going to be 2x cubed. All right, so let's look at, I checked on the leading coefficient. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, it did. It highlighted it in orange. The leading coefficient refers to the non-zero factor that is multiplied by the greatest power of x. The leading coefficient of the polynomial is 2. The degree of the polynomial is the greatest degree of any of the terms. This is a polynomial of degree 3, also known as a cubic polynomial. So we have linear, which is x to the power of 1, quadratic, which is x to the power of 2, cubic, which is x to the power of 3, quadric, which is x to the power of 4, and quartic, which is x to the power of 5. Basically, after x to the power of 3, we no longer actually call them that. We'll just say x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5, or x degree 4, x degree 5. Terms of the polynomial has 3 terms, so it's called a trinomial, 1, 2, and 3. Using structure. Note that there are no x squared terms in this polynomial. In some cases, it might be useful to write the polynomial as 2x cubed plus 0x squared minus 4x plus 9. And that's just kind of like a placeholder, and those placeholders come into great use in some applications. Right, so in the do you understand what is each of the polynomials' standard form, and what are the leading coefficients, the degree, and the number of terms? So you have 2 of those to work on. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.